this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to completely reset Windows 10. This is useful if you have issues loading Windows or Windows not performing properly, or if you have malware, viruses, Trojans, and anything that affects your computer. And the way you do that, you go over to the search and type in settings. You could also right click the Windows logo and then click on settings. Click on update and security. And then click on recovery. On the recovery section, you're going to click on reset this PC and click get started. Let me explain you these two different options that it gives you. If you select keep my files, it basically keeps all of your personal files, and I believe that includes documents and pictures, but it removes any apps that you install through Windows or through the Microsoft Store. If you do remove everything, this basically sets Windows 10 back to factory settings with no application installed, and this is more than likely the one that you would be selecting. That way your computer, when it boots back up again, has a clean install of Windows 10 and you don't have any viruses or anything causing problems. So you will click that and then wait for the process to finish. This could take anywhere between an hour to 3 hours depending on your computer performance. So basically that's how you reset your Windows 10 machine. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.